So when we sent our jobs back to the FendtONE offboard portal, what we can see here in the task reports is we can see we've got one new job that's come back in, and that was the one we exported from the tractor. So if I click onto onto the reports tile, is here we can see our task up here with the new symbol on there. There won't be much data in that particular task from what we did. We just drove in and out of the field. So if I just scroll down, so we can see we've got multiple tasks here. If I click into one of the particular tasks, then here is we've got some details about what's happened. So we've got the field that's been in, the area of the field. We've got the start time and date, the stop time and date there as well. We can also see the image of where the tractor has travelled within the field, and then as I scroll down further, we can see which tractor did the work. Again, it's effective working time, it's ineffective working time, so that usually encompasses turning on the headland. Most importantly, we see our fuel figure at the end there as how much fuel's been used in that particular field, what the total area of what was worked, and we can see here then our implement that was being used. If we had an isobus implement in there, we'd also get the totals from the isobus implement. If I just scroll back up, we can see our map of where we've driven. What I can do is I can generate what they call as a heat map, so we can analyze a little bit more data. So I can come in, I can look at what's come off the machine. So I can look at, say, wheelbase speed, and we can get then a little heat map being generated onto the screen as well. What we can also do with this job is, once we're happy with the data there, is we can finalize it, and then we get these two buttons at the end there, so I can download all that information into either a PDF or into a CSV file. So if I download it into a PDF, then that will save that onto my computer, open that particular file up, and what I get then is a summary of everything that was done in that particular job for that field. What I can also do is I can export a lot of data out in one go. So if I come to my transfer button, come to my export in here, I can make a choice then as to whether I export out as a CSV, a PDF, or get the raw data out in a nice XML file. But if I leave it as a CSV file, is what I can do is either I can select individual reports by tapping on them, or what I can do is use a select all button there, and then again download that. That will then save a CSV file onto my laptop, and then if I open up that file, it will open up all this data then into an Excel spreadsheet. And so then what I can see then is all the jobs that have been done on the for those particular jobs there, and then I can start to do a little bit more in-depth analysis based on those figures. Thanks very much for watching this tutorial. If you have any further questions, please reach out to your local dealer or get in contact with us on the FendtONE web page.